Excellent. All right. What's our thought of the week, Craig? Email tracking will soon be a thing of the past.
We've talked about this. Remember last year, Apple was rolling out private relay, and then they were IP blocking, and then they were open rate blocking. So they're blocking the tracking pixels. Most email vendors, including HubSpot, responded with kind of a calculation based on if it was opened in Apple, they were guesstimating and things like that. And services like hey.com, they've been blocking pixels for a while. However, now we're seeing it's not just the pixels, so the open rate and that, but they're stripping out parameters on the links. Because remember last year we were saying, look, we won't see open rates, but importantly, we will still see if they click a link. So that's more useful in some ways. Well, no, iOS 17 is going to be stripping parameters, and also Proton, which I use for my personal email. They, in July, rolled this out. They're just stripping out tracking parameters, so you will get, basically all of that traffic will end up in your analytics. So you won't know that came from email. It's kind of dark social all over again. It's almost dark email traffic. So just be aware of that. This whole email tracking that we've enjoyed, the golden period of tracking everyone, and the last couple of years, it's further reducing. And email, I guess, insights are going to head towards zero. Now, marketers are always playing whack-a-mole with these kind of things, and they'll work out other ways, use a coupon code or go to a very specific landing page, very specific. There'll be ways around it, but for most of the people that just continue sending out email marketing, the insights are going to be reducing.
I tell you what, this will kind of affect, how we often talk about making it easy for the customer, and you click a CTA in an email and you can, because you know who they are, you can create the list and say, okay, Craig's going to attend my event. He's clicked the yes, I'm attending link. When this disappears, we're not going to know who clicked that link, Craig, and then going to make my life a lot harder.
This isn't the time for it, but I think there's a reasonable discussion to be had around the benefits of tracking versus the negatives.
Exactly.
And getting that balance is always hard. I guess the pendulum's swinging way to the left at the moment, but it's going to be hard. And here is the other discussion. I'm back on Instagram lately.
Yes.
And the ads that Instagram shows me are so good.
Yeah.
It's so good. I'm really enjoying it. And lots of things I'm seeing ads for. I'm like, oh yeah, I'll look at that. That's great. It's actually useful content for me compared to, say, Twitter or where I used to be, where the ads were just garbage and in no way reflected my interests. So I was like, wow, this is a terrible experience. And people object to that. They're like, oh, I don't want the platform knowing all about me, because then they can target me with ads. I'm like, yeah, I really like it. So there's both sides. I know some people hate it. I really like it. Do I really want Facebook knowing all my interests? Well, I can see both sides, yes and no. It's not a simple conversation.